Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not yet subscribed it to this channel, right? Make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, guys. Like this video, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel, guys, so you will not miss out on any of it. So once again, guys, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of it. Now let's see what we will be expecting this week on our gold. So we are going to do this analysis from, let's say, from the monthly time frame. Quick, or let's look at it from the monthly time frame. We will do this analysis down to our for our time frame, so we can fully understand the movement on gold and what we should be expecting this week. Now let's zoom it out and see on our daily time frame. So on our monthly time frame, you can clearly see that on our monthly time frame on gold, we are very much strongly on a bullish move. Market is literally giving us a strong movement to the upside, right? You can clearly see that this is a very strong buy to the upside. So let's start from here for quick analysis. I will do just this quick analysis for gold on monthly time frame. If this is your impulsive move, here comes the corrective phase. This is the impulsive move. Here comes the corrective phase. This is also the impulsive move, and the impulsive move is still playing out. Probably in the month of February, then we can now start expecting a corrective phase. So basically, I told you guys, if you have watched this my previous analysis video I did for you guys, I told you guys that in the month of December, the month of December, the month of you know the month of December, the month of January will most likely always give us is always most likely is mostly a bullish move, right? So from that February March, markets will probably start giving us that pullback. So expect it, be expecting a pullback in the month of February March period. For now, market is still giving us that strongly bullish move. So once the pullback wants to start, the corrective phase wants to start, I'll make sure I let you guys know. For now, market is still pushing up, so you should still be expecting a bullish move. Now let's go down to our weekly time frame. So if this is our high, this is the higher low, this is the push up, which is the higher low, this is the higher high, here comes the higher low. Market gave us another higher high, and probably we should be expecting an higher low very soon. This higher low, I will be explaining why we will be expecting that higher low, which will most likely go to be very much visible on our daily time frame. So now we've got to this high, right? And higher low is what you should be expecting, right? When you go to your daily time frame, you can see that market is giving us a bullish move right here. So if this is our high, let's start from here. If this is the high on gold, this is the higher low, this is also the higher high, this is higher low, this is the high, right? And higher low just played out here. So our next movement on gold, right, it should give us another bullish move that would be an higher high, right? That is exactly what you should be expecting, another bullish move that will give you an higher high, right? Now, but when you go to your forward time frame, market is still ranging. So what do we expect? We expect market to actually drop back to the support level, because when you take a look at it, market is ranging here. So if this is our resistance, market drop to our support, market eventually gave us that bullish move to our resistance, then support level again. Now market has now pushed up and we are currently at the resistance. So we are expecting market to actually drop back to our support level. Now, if in case market breaks above it and push up, then we would continue the movement to the upside, as market has the potential of breaking above it. So have it in mind that this is also a possibility that market will definitely push up, break above it, then wait for your pullback to come to retest it, and then you continue the movement to the upside. So above all, we should be expecting a bullish move this week. If there will be any changes and more updates, I'll make sure I cover it on our YouTube. In order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share.